Let's get into the numbers, because this is where the power of this whole infrastructure idea just becomes, well, undeniable. Seriously, this is the part that changes everything.
So let's start small. With just one profile activated, this system basically does the job of one full-time sales rep, an SDR, for about a third of the cost. That's a solid 3x ROI. Good, right? But here's the thing. That's just the starting point.
Okay, now watch this. This is where it gets really interesting. When you turn on 5 profiles, the ROI doesn't just add up, it multiplies. That same one-time build is now replacing a team that would cost almost $500,000, and the return on investment, it just skyrockets.
And it just keeps going. Check this out. At 20 profiles, that very same piece of infrastructure now replaces a sales team that would have cost close to $2 million. The ROI is just staggering. See, we're not talking about small incremental gains anymore. This is pure exponential value.
So here's the full breakdown in one table. Just look at that infrastructure cost column. See how it barely moves? The cost is mostly fixed. But now look at the traditional SDR cost it's replacing. That number just explodes. That right there is the economic engine behind this whole model. The value it creates just grows and grows with every new profile you add.
But you know, this isn't just about the numbers on a spreadsheet.